everybody! So welcome to my channel, and today I will be doing a Valentine's look para sa inyong lahat. So, syempre magba-Valentine's na, kailangan maganda ka ng tsura natin, fresh, ganyan. So, ngayon, hindi kasi ako fresh today, and I'm breaking out so bad. So, ang dami kong chuchu sa face. Lagi kasing puyat, lagi ang daming ginagawa, so I have to deal with it. But it's okay. So, kapag ganito mga face nyo, hindi tingin nyo parang hindi kayo pretty or whatsoever. Ang tawag ko dyan, I'm just cocooning. Parang yung mga caterpillars, di ba? Na, umpisa caterpillar lang sila. Tapos, they're gonna cocoon. Tapos, they're gonna transform into a beautiful butterfly. So, yan. So, kapag feeling nyo sobrang ugly nyo or sobrang, yan, nagbe-breakout kayo or whatsoever, it's okay. Mawawala din yan. Nagkukukun lang kayo kasi magta-transform din kayo. Okay? Always remember that. Ayan. So, Valentine's na. May date na ba kayo? Ako wala eh. But it's okay. May date ka or wala kang date, it's fine. You should be beautiful on Valentine's Day. Ayan. So, let's start. Okay. So, una kong gagawin, I will tone my face. Ayan. So, I'm using this Celotex. It's so bright. Ayan. Celotex Acne Solution. Kasi since I'm breaking out, ayan. So, normally, hindi naman ito ginagamit ko, but I have to use this one. And I have this galing sa aking doctor for my breakouts. I don't want breakouts anymore. But anyway, I have to deal with it. And it's fine. Mawawala din yan. Nothing is permanent. So, minsan kailangan ganyan talaga. Minsan ma-experience mo yung worst para ma-appreciate mo yung mga good things in life. Once it's set, you can start with your moisturizer. So, kasi ako sensitive talaga ng skin ko, so I'll be using Celotex. Words, lagi ako may nilalagay kasi sa eyes ko. Kasi medyo prone ako sa dark circles. And ayokong medyo wrinkly yung eyes ko right na dahil puyat. So, ayan. Celotex din. Celotex Brightening Eye Tuck. We will prime our face with this Professionals. I think I'm going to use this one today. Crayolan TV Paint. Ayan. The Beauty Blender. Ayan. Just distribute lang sa face. So, what I use is this Ben 9 Media Pro Total Conceal. That ko-conceal natin yung mga places na kailangan i-conceal, like under the eyes, blemishes, and stuff like that. I'm gonna mix this and this. So, yeah. Kasi it's too light kapag ito lang. Concealer brush, a small concealer brush. This is from Real Techniques. Nawala na yung marka niya. So, it's okay. Any brush will do. Using a beauty blender, just blend it. Blend is the key. So, yun lang. Ta-da! After this, ayan. So, this is what everybody does. Ito yung ginagawa ng lahat. They bake. I'm using this Dermacolor fixing powder. I got this also from Crayolan. Actually, I like this kasi it's waterproof. Tapos it doesn't cake. Tapos it's very light sa face. Kasi it's so nice. It's really, really nice. It's medyo expensive nga lang, pero it's really, really nice. It's a good buy. A good buy. We're just gonna wipe off etong areas lang. Yung hindi kailangan matagal i-bake. So, yan. Normally, yung hindi sa T-zone, kasi dun yung parts naman na hindi oily. Yung mga T-zone, yun yung itira mo. Let's move on sa kilay. Okay. Sa kilay kasi, hindi kasi ako yung makilay on fleek. Ayoko yung parang, yung sobrang gawang-gawa yung kilay. Yung sobrang, ang tulis, ang ganyan. Gusto ko yung natural lang na parang magulo, pero maayos. Magulong maayos. Gets nyo na yun. So, first, you're gonna use a spoolie. Actually, hindi sa akin to. Naiwan to sa akin ng co-artist ko. Hello to Giovanni. Ayan, naiwan niya. Pahiram muna. So, ayan. Kasi all of my spoolies are dirty from my client. So, ito yung malinis. So, pahiram. This is everyone's favorite, Anastasia Beverly Hills soft brown. I'll start from the bottom here. More on shaping ka muna. Straight. Then, fill in nyo lang yung butas. Ayoko kasi mukhang masungit. Kasi ako minsan mukha talaga akong masungit. So, ang dami nagsasabi sa akin mukha akong mataray. Why? Why? So, there. When I work on with my clients, hindi lang ganun sa magkilay. May aeroplano. Ayan, wala na yung aeroplano. Ayan, so when I work on with my clients, hindi ako ganito magkilay. Sa sarili ko lang yung ganito kasi medyo ayoko yung kilay is life. Hindi ako ganun. But anyways, wala naman akong any sa mga kilay is life. Ang ganda ng mga kilay niyo. Sa sarili ko lang. Hindi kasi bagay sa akin. So, pero minsan, gagawin natin. Magkikilay is life tayo. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano magkilay is life. Yan. Kilay. So, my kilay is done. So, I'm gonna use this Too Faced palette. This one. I'm gonna use this palette. It's from Too Faced. Ayan. So, this is like my main palette for this look. You want your base. I'm just gonna use din yung concealer ko. But, before that, I'm gonna use an angled brush again. Another angled brush like this. Then, ayusin lang natin yung under our kilay. Kung medyo may uka-uka, ayusin natin yan. And then, we're gonna use this also as our base for our shadow. And then, just pull it down. Pull it down. So, there. Diba? Mas malinis na siya. Next, I'm just gonna get my beauty blender. Then, dab a little small amount lang. Tapos, then, just put it over the eyes. Just to set everything there. Once that's set, let's do the eyeshadow. Kailangan meron tayong transition shade. So, ang transition shade ko wala dito. What I'm gonna use is the Rebecca palette again. The MAC Rebecca palette. I'm gonna use this one as my transition shade. So here's my transition shade. So I'm just gonna put it at the outer corners of my eyes. So, dyan. By the way, I'm using the small taper blending brush E45 by Sigma. So, yan. Yan. So, there. There's my transition shade. I'm gonna put this Santa Baby. Ayan. Medyo fluffy brush. It's from Swish. I don't know what's the name of this brush, but ayan. Then, get your fluffy brush kanina. Yung ginamit nyo kanina. And then, you're just gonna blend it lang.
You don't need to put any product, so...
Ayan. So, yan. Pink dahil Valentine's Day. Pink para sa mga in love. I'm just gonna get this small parang bullet brush. I don't know what's this called, pero nabili ko ito sa... I think this is Sigma, yung Mr. Bunny set nila. So, I'm gonna use this one. Ilalagay natin yan sa outer corners of our eyes. Magkakit lang. Konti lang. Something like that. Baka sobra siya, I just put it lang. Baka sumobra kasi yung malagay niyo sa eyes niyo. So, you put it there. Bago niyo i-apply sa eyes niyo. So, sa outer lang, outer corners. Just gonna put it there. Get your blending brush again a while ago. You don't have to put any product and then just blend. When you blend this one, kasi dark na to, make sure huwag kayo lalagpas sa labas. Paloob lang lahat. Kasi paloob. So, yeah. So, once na na-blend mo na siya, with this Christmas blend, I'm just gonna use this. Lagay ko lang sa ano ko, sa finger ko nito. So, yun lang. I'm gonna put it at the center of the lids. Once nalagay mo na siyang ganyan, going back, get your transition shade again and blend everything out. So, konti lang. You don't need plenty. So just blend everything out. Tapos, what I want to do, I get a high, like a light shade or something lighter than everything else. Then, lalagyan natin sa brow bone. Ayoko siya gawing shimmery kasi parang masyado ng, I don't know, mas gusto ko ma-emphasize yung shimmer dun sa my lid. So, mas gusto ko i-matte na lang natin siya. And there's my eyes. So, moving on. I love eyeliner. So, I'll be using this one. It's from Maybelline, yung Hyperlink Liquid Eyeliner, the new one. Yung ina-advertise ni Liza Soberano. And it's good. It's really, really good. And it's so mura. Promise. It's just like 149 ba? So mura. I like this a lot. What are we going to do with my eyeliner? Ayoko ng winked. And medyo manipis lang gagawin natin. Start sa outer corner. Okay, so there's my eyeliner. Ayan, wala siyang wing. Tapos, I'm just gonna do it sa kabila lang din. In-extend ko lang siya kasi I want my eyes to look a bit bigger. Ayan, so there's my eyeliner. After that, we're gonna curl my lashes para umangat yung mas magmukhang buhay ang ating eyes. Excuse me. So, I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Yeah. I hope you guys can see. Ayan. So, there's my eye. The lashes. I'm also using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express. So, actually, mga Maybelline na na mascara. I really like them. It's very cheap and pero the quality is very nice. So, if you're gonna get mascaras na na cheap lang, tas maganda yung quality niya, go for Maybelline. Okay. After that, ayan, so malamang nakook naman na yung nasa ilalim ng mata natin. So, just wipe it off. Just gonna get the small brush again. Then, I'm just gonna put a little bit under the eyes para mas ma-emphasize my eyes. So, I'm just gonna get this one. The Santa Baby. The Santa Baby one. And I'm just gonna put it under my eyes. So, actually, this helps yung eyeshadow under your eyes. It helps para magmukhang malaki yung eyes mo. So I'm just gonna put here. And then I'm just gonna add this sprinkles. Itong sprinkles na medyo shimmery. Para siyang metallic maroon na shade sa outer corners of my lower lash line. There. And then, I'll be getting this shade, yung coffee chip. So, konting-konti lang nito sa outer corners. And then I'm gonna dab it again on my hand para hindi naman siya sobrang harsh pag nilagay natin sa eyes na. So, yeah. And then, hindi pa tapos. We're gonna put again yung Christmas blend. This one, the metallic one. Dun sa may lower inner corners lang. Sumigla-sigla yung mga mata natin dyan. And para mukhang in love. There! So, our eyeshadow is done. So, there's my eyes. Now, moving on, we're gonna bronze our face. Ang bronzer, hindi siya contour. Okay. Iba kasi, ginagawang contour ang bronze. Ang contour is matte. Ang bronze, may shimmery shade. Ang bronze, it just adds color to your face since, kasi diba, foundation natin siya, nagmukhang flat yung face, parang walang buhay, wala siyang color. So, we're just gonna bronze our face. So, I'll be using this Sigma F10 brush. It's a powder brush. I'm using the Tarte Clay palette. And I'm just gonna get their bronzer shade here. So, para lang magkaroon ng buhay ang ating face. So, after that, let's contour. Ayan, gagamitin ko yung Anastasia contour kit. Yung powder. In a powder form. With my face kasi, my face is payat. So, hindi naman siya malaki. So, I don't really need to contour the hollows of my cheeks. But, what I need to contour, para medyo magmukhang para medyo maging balance yung face ko, I would contour dito. Sa forehead kong malaki. Yan. Tapos, sa baba ko. If you have a face like may napayat, when you contour, wag yung pag ganon. Kasi mas lalo magmumukhang payat yung face nyo. If you're gonna contour, tas you have the same face as mine, yung medyo payat, ang contour mo medyo pa straight na ganon. Para magkakaroon ng illusion na medyo tumaba yung face mo. Nasisipon talaga ako. So, I'm sorry kung may nakita kayong uhog. So, I'm using this one to contour my nose. And then, just tap it for the excess product. Pag medyo harsh, pero just blend it lang with a clean brush. Ayan, kasi parang medyo harsh yung nagawa ko dito sa kabilang side. So, there's my nose at contour. So, pag mag-blush on, huwag naman yung pack na blush on. Siguro yung medyo parang nagba-blush ka lang kasi kinikilig ka, ganyan. Some blush, I'm just gonna use this Mod. The same palette with Tarte. Parang yung nagba-blush lang. Wag naman yung parang pack na blush on. In love ako sa'yo, yung ganong blush on. Wag naman yung ganon. Yung parang medyo pakipot na blush lang. Yung kinikilig lang ganon. And then, get the product. Nalagay lang natin dito para mag-highlight. And of course, the bridge of your nose. Forehead here. Cupid's bow. And your chin. Asset ko tayo. I'll be using 2 products. Paghahalo ko siya. One is the Jeffree Star Nude Beach. And then one is the Kat Von D. Lovesick. Kat Von D Lovesick. So, gagawin natin ito dahil araw ng pag-ibig. I mean, buwan ng pag-ibig. Doon tayo sa love. O, diba? Love. So, just putting it here. Ayan siya. The other one. And then, the Jeffree Star. There. I don't know, pero ever since dati, I like to mix stuff. I don't know, I don't get it sometimes na parang ang dami-daming yung parang yung sobrang hoarders, yung mga makeup hoarders. Oh nga, we love makeup, ganyan. Pero sometimes you have to be practical naman, di ba? Na you don't have to buy those stuff naman talaga. Di ba? Paano if you're on a budget? Okay, wala na. Di ba? So, kung anong meron ka dyan, you could use it. Tapos, just play with it. Di ba? You don't really have to buy stuff like yung mga sobrang mahal na OA na. Kung anong meron ka dyan, just use it. Then, play with it. Then, experiment with it. Kasi there's no rules to makeup naman eh, di ba? Yun. So, ever since before ako, I like to mix stuff. So, ayan na siya. Yan na yung na-create kong color. So, I love it. And, I'm just gonna put it on my lips. Yeah. So, ayusin ko lang yung buhok ko. And I'll be back to show you my final look. Yan. So, tapos na yung patweetums natin. At yung para sa mga may kadate, yung merong medyo in love, yan. Ganitong look ang gusto natin ma-achieve. Para sa mga gustong umaura this Valentine's Day, like mo, ayan. So, gagawa tayo medyo bold na look. So, let's start off with our eyes. So, okay na yan. Whatever is in there, okay na yan. I-aanin lang natin. Bobonggahan lang natin. So, tanggalin ko muna mga clip-clip ko kasi pang patweetums tong clip-clip na yan. Yung gamitin ko lang din tong Rebecca palette. This is from Swish. It's like a small flat eyeshadow brush. kunin ko lang this shade, like a bronzy brown shade. So, and I'm gonna dab it all over my lids. So there. Blending brush ulit. Tapos, with this shade, yan, i-blend lang natin sila. Yan. So, there's my eyes. Not much of a difference naman, pero mas parang stronger lang siya. With just the same shade, and with the small angle brush. Yan. And then, put lang sa ilalim ng eyes. Yan. Just with my ring finger ulit, I'm just gonna use ito. Paubos na siya. Medyo favorite ko siya. This one, the highlighter of this palette. So, dun lang din sa inner corner lang ulit. But ako, I'm just gonna curl my lashes lang. So I want it medyo nude lang para mag-balance lang. So, I'm using this Revlon matte balm in the shade Enchanting. Valentine's Day, everybody!